Welcome to our channel. Neville Goddard was a renowned New Thought teacher and spiritual leader that pioneered the law of assumption. He was fascinated by the power of thoughts and their impact on our lives. He dedicated much of his time to exploring the connection between our thoughts and what manifests in our reality. One of the concepts that Neville Goddard extensively talked about was the law of thought transmission. You may have heard of the law of assumption, which is related, but the law of thought transmission is a separate idea with its own unique power. In this video, we'll take a journey to uncover what the law of thought transmission is and how you can use it to your advantage. With this knowledge, you will be able to manifest your own desires and even influence others to do what you want, simply by using the power of your thoughts. So, let's get started and discover the magic of the law of thought transmission. Neville Goddard's teachings have always been known for their simplicity and ease of understanding. It's this accessibility that has made his ideas so popular and applicable to people from all walks of life. One of the central concepts in Neville Goddard's teachings is the law of thought transmission. In Chapter 5 of his book, Prayer, The Art of Believing, Neville delves into this topic in detail. According to Neville, our thoughts are not just idle musings, but they are powerful forces that carry with them energy and light. They are vibrations that hold immense power, capable of shaping our reality and bringing our deepest desires to life. By harnessing the law of thought transmission, we can turn our thoughts into powerful tools for creating the life we want. Just like waves travel through the air, our thoughts are transmitted in the same way. By understanding the power of our thoughts and how they are transmitted, we can harness the power of our mind to bring the outcomes we desire into our lives. By focusing on and imagining our desires, we create vibrations of thoughts. These vibrations are transformed into a powerful force that attracts what we want. The power of our thoughts is evident in every aspect of our lives. When we think positively and focus on our goals, we attract positivity and success. On the other hand, negative thoughts can lead to negative outcomes. So, it's essential to be mindful of the thoughts we are sending out into the world. By doing so, we can tap into the power of the law of thought transmission and create a life filled with joy, abundance, and happiness. In essence, our actions and desires are largely inspired by our thoughts. What we say, where, eat, where we go, and how we live are all reflections of our inner thoughts and mindset. If someone has different beliefs, speaks differently, or practices a different religion, it's simply because they have different thoughts. Our lives are mirrors of our thoughts, and we are constantly under their control. If we want to experience something different or live a different life, we must first change our thoughts. Once you grasp the power of your thoughts, you can harness them for your betterment. By focusing on positive, uplifting thoughts, you can bring happiness and joy into your life. So, it's crucial to be mindful of the thoughts we have and the impact they have on our lives. With the power of the law of thought transmission, you can transform your thoughts into a powerful force for creating the life you truly desire. Now, let's delve into the law of thought transmission in greater detail. This law is rooted in the idea that our thoughts are vibrational energy and that they play a role in shaping our relationships with others. The nature of our thoughts can impact how others perceive us and how they treat us. If we concentrate on positive thoughts, we will find that we experience more positive things in our lives. This can be seen in the experiences of people everywhere, and it is a fact that cannot be denied. By understanding the law of thought transmission, we can harness the power of our thoughts to create the life we desire. By focusing on positive, uplifting thoughts, we can attract positive experiences and relationships and bring more joy and happiness into our lives. When we speak, we are expressing our thoughts. Everything we say or do, from our actions and decisions to our speaking style, behavior, clothing, beliefs, and even political affiliations, reveals what we are thinking and what kind of person we are. When others interact with us or see us, they can form an impression of our thoughts and attitudes. Our words, actions, and appearance can impact the thoughts of those around us, shaping the way they perceive us and interact with us. For example, by speaking in a positive and confident manner, we can influence the thoughts of others and make a good impression. By wearing unique clothing, we can make a statement and stand out from the crowd. And by doing or saying something unexpected, we can alter the thoughts and behavior of others towards us. Neville Goddard explains the working principle of the law of thought transmission as follows. Our thoughts, which can be considered as vibrational energy, have the power to influence and shape our relationships with others. When we hold a strong, positive belief or thought about someone, even if they are far away, that thought creates a connection between the two of you in your own consciousness. This connection is created by your fixed ideas and beliefs about that person. The concept of the law of thought transmission is that our thoughts have a powerful impact on our relationships with others and the experiences we have in our lives. Our thoughts are considered to be vibrational energy, and they influence the thoughts and actions of those around us. By focusing on positive thoughts, we can manifest positive experiences in our lives and build strong relationships with others. According to this concept, our thoughts determine our reality and also impact the thoughts and experiences of those around us. The idea is that our thoughts interact with the thoughts of others, causing them to reflect back to us experiences that are a result of the nature of our thoughts. This concept is supported by quantum physics and is seen as a tool for personal growth and manifestation. According to the law of thought transmission, if the fixed idea that you have about someone is not subjectively accepted by that person, it will rebound back to you. When you stop adhering to the beliefs taught by external sources and start viewing life through the lens of the energy of your thoughts, you will find it easier to gain an advantage and experience the things you desire. Contrary to popular belief, our thoughts hold immense power and have a profound impact on our lives. Society may have taught us to believe that our thoughts have no importance, but the truth is quite the opposite. Our thoughts hold all the power, and the way we think can shape our reality. When you start viewing your life through the lens of the vibrations and frequency of your thoughts, you will gain an understanding of the true power of your thoughts. By using your thoughts wisely, you can improve your relationships with others and become a better person. Neville Goddard believed that even if a friend was 1,000 miles away, they were still connected to you through your fixed ideas of them. This concept was also explored by Albert Einstein, who referred to it as spooky action at a distance. The laws of quantum physics support the idea that all particles in the universe are connected, and that actions performed on one particle can affect others, even if they are separated by a great distance, at a speed faster than light. The way we think about our thoughts has been shaped by external mainstream conditions and societal norms. We are taught that our thoughts are just private matters and don't have an impact on others. However, this couldn't be farther from the truth. Our thoughts are the driving force behind our actions and the way we interact with others. Our thoughts help us connect and communicate with others in different ways. As Neville Goddard explains, when you focus your thoughts on someone, it can awaken a corresponding state within that person, and they will act accordingly without even realizing why. The subject will be unable to resist the influence of your thoughts unless they reject the state you are trying to create. The concept of the same frequency of thoughts resonating and amplifying each other can also be seen in quantum physics, where particles remain connected and one particle can affect another at a speed faster than light. This means that the frequency of our thoughts can have a significant impact on others and on the world around us. When two thoughts have the same frequency, they will resonate and amplify each other. But when the frequencies of two thoughts don't match, there will be no resonance. It's important to understand that our thoughts and beliefs have a profound impact on our reality and the reality of those around us. As Neville Goddard and Albert Einstein suggest, the power of our thoughts can even reach beyond physical distance, affecting the minds and emotions of others. It's essential to be mindful of the thoughts we hold and ensure that they are aligned with our desired outcomes and the well-being of others. This idea is similar to the concept of tuning forks. When two tuning forks have the same frequency, they vibrate in unison, amplifying each other. On the other hand, if the frequencies are different, there is no resonance between them. The same concept can be applied to our thoughts. When our thoughts resonate with those of others, they can have a powerful influence, but if they are different, they won't have any effect. The power of your thoughts should not be underestimated. They hold the key to shaping your relationships with others and influencing how you experience the world. When you align your thoughts with a similar frequency as another person, you can create a resonant energy that will affect their thoughts and behavior towards you. However, if the person is not aware of you or your thoughts, they will not have any thoughts about you, and therefore, no interaction between your thoughts and theirs. Therefore, it is important to be mindful of your thoughts and the impact they may have on others and your own life experiences. Your thoughts have the ability to attract experiences that align with their frequency and manifestation in your life. To summarize, your thoughts have a profound impact on your life and the lives of those around you. When your thoughts align with someone else's, they can resonate and influence their behavior towards you. It is important to be aware of your thoughts and the beliefs you hold, as they can attract experiences and relationships into your life, both positive and negative. By changing your thoughts, you can change the way others perceive and treat you. This concept emphasizes the importance of monitoring and controlling your thoughts in order to manifest the experiences and relationships you desire. As this video winds down, do share with me in the comments section how your thoughts are affecting your daily life and how you plan to incorporate Neville Goddard's teachings as described in this video. Also, do like and subscribe to our channel, as we will bring you more life-enriching content in the days to come. Thank you for watching.